U Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS hak Arthur Jilio ula pelipat ba ya ka district level Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Kani ka campaign Nasha Mukti Abhiyan kadai ka bala pelat pat ba da ka sorkar pedeng lingba ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment haluar ka thong ban pelong ya kari India ka balat na ka jingdi penbuan kamtam ka balat na ka jingkerni ya udrak. Ya kani ka campaign la pelong da ka office u Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills bat ka District Social Welfare Officer Juwai ringkat ka jinga trelang ki kenhuan tremon ngobha halor ka phang substance abuse prevention treatment and rehabilitation. Ya ka jingalang la pelong ha training hall ka DC office Juwai. Haba penpaw ya ka jindan kam kerki penyalek persya ya ka jingdi buan ha ka imlang salang u Abhinav Kumar Singh ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam jong ka jinga trelang bat ka jinga shim bentalang jong ka imlang salang. U Deputy Commissioner u Kermen Balingba ka jinga trelang jong barok kitana trekam ka West Giant Hills District kan la ban job ya ka thong jong ka Nasha Mukt. Ula pentip ru ya ki program bapher ki ba an pelong kum shibenta jong ka jinga lam kenthop ya ka jinga kop drodur ka jinga kop mare bat ka jinga lek kai hasurok nalor ki program pensngot hu hakeleng ke district. Ki wede ki bala ajingkren ki long u Additional Superintendent of Police ka West Giant Hills u Ishan Gupta IPS ha ka jingdon lang u brand ambassador jong ka Nasha Mukt campaign u chibat langstang ka Dr. JN Chulai Director MCSWA Uma CS Lalu Retired Controller Legal Metrology Juwai ka Kong Y Najer District Social Welfare Officer Juwai na lor kiway.
Department, there will be a street play coordinated by Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment. There will be yoga and meditation for the patient of breakthrough. There will be short film and documentation which will be done by the DMHO, DLSA, Principal Government Boys School. There will be awareness programs which are definitely ongoing in the forms of multiple programs or initiatives that are undertaken by the district administration at Kian Nangba Government College. And also there will be awareness programs in the rural areas because that is also one of the key area where there will be different resource persons with regard to, we have got identified 7 particular associations or the departments. First would be Meemintudu Community Social Welfare Association. Second would be at Dauki, where Society for Rural and Urban Area, that is SHORE, Jowai. Then at Mukla, Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. Then at Minso, Fernando Home Care and Support Center, Yalong. Then Kutushi, Breakthrough De-Addiction Rehabilitation Center. Then Shashniyam by the Office of the DSWO. Then Mokayo by Meemintudu Community Social Welfare Association, Jowai. We really look forward in order to ensure that our district becomes a full Nasha Mukt Bharat, a part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and is one of the leading beacons in our state. I would also like to share that last year, the previous district where I was, it was awarded by Ministry with regard to North Garo Hills, wherein it was given the award. I am looking forward that this year with your all support and intervention, the same could be replicated in this district.
It is with great privilege that we kickstart our Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan Phase 2 2025. And drugs is a great issue. It's like an epidemic which we are facing, and this malice is only spreading throughout India. Meghalaya is not left behind. We hope that with this initiative, with the coming together of all the departments, we can ensure a Nasha Mukt West Giant Hills and contribute in the effort towards Nasha Mukt Bharat.